Some cities move forward. This one carries its past with it.
Every step feels familiar.
Like life has always been here.
Nothing here feels new.
But everything feels alive.
Beautiful handmade pottery, scarves for the sun. Get your souvenirs here.
You don't just see history. You walk through it. And it never really leaves.
This leather is the finest quality we have.
It's beautiful. I'll take two.
No space between moments.
Just movement.
Even the pauses feel alive.
You don't just see it.
You taste it.
And it never stands still.
Everything is close.
Then the light begins to change. And everything feels warmer.
The city opens up. And you just follow it. As the light fades,
the city finds its voice.
More people appear.
And the city feels warmer.
The city changes again.
Everything slows down. But nothing really stops.
step away.
And it feels different.
For a moment,
It becomes still.
Night doesn't end suddenly.
Slowly, let's go.
And life comes back quietly.
Like it never really left.
Morning comes moves quietly.
But everyone knows the rhythm.
And just like that,
It all begins again.
You pass so many lives.
Most of them unspoken.
But for a moment,
You feel like you belong.
everything keeps moving.
And you get lost in it.
There's no real pause.
Just moments inside yourself.
And then you step away. Finally, space.
You start to notice again. What you almost missed.
You can step away.
But it never does.
Yes.
The rhythm stays the same. With or without you.
You don't really leave.
You just look back.
and somehow,
It stays with you.